Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Adams Elementary School in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District. My first time getting to speak here, so true honor being at the home of the All-Stars. And I love what they stand for here. The STAR acronym is successful, trustworthy, accountable, respectful. And today's focus for the assemblies, for the grade levels 1 through 6, parent program as well in the evening, really revolved around bullying. And the R especially, right? Showing respect not only to ourselves, but to others as well. And the sub-theme was all about looking at the heart first, right? The same way that you see your best friend for their heart before anything else. We know our heart's as big as our fist. We can let love, peace, kindness fully enter into here. We can turn that into this, right? The peace sign. One finger is ourself. The other is someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But also, too, because, in just 2 seconds, what we say, what we do can truly have a lasting impact on somebody, positive or negative. And we know that bullying is something that's repeated over and over and over again. We hear that word so often, but I really wanted to focus on the things that aren't bullying, right? Just those one-time actions or words that 2 seconds where we can uplift or we can destroy. And the students really got that, had a lot of pin drop moments for the youth programs during the day, as well as the parent session in the evening. And that was focused more on cyberbullying and social media, specifically technology, the impact on the mental health of not just our young people, but adults too. And, it's something that's so near and dear to my heart because it's so important that we try to show kindness wherever we go, right? Not just during Kindness Week, but every week, every day of our lives. And also that we really try to, be that change and to lead that change. And it's not just self-kindness, but again, it's spreading that kindness to others as well. And, I think it's something that's so important because, when we're talking about the self-kindness, it ties into the miracle concept that all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I traced one of mine here. Everyone has one. Sometimes a faint line connects it, have at least one in each hand. But that M, I say, stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt, upside down. W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it, right? But we have to really believe that, right? And then once we do, now we can go be that light to someone else's heart, right? And for, these young people to really take that to heart and know that kindness is not just through the phone screen or virtually or online, but it's face-to-face too, right? And our true friends are going to see us for who we are. There's a lot of opinions out there. Not every opinion matters. What matters is what we believe, what our best friends believe. But the people that do choose to bully, a big reason is because hurt people hurt people. But we also know that healed people heal people. We can always rise above that hate and show them the love that they desperately need. And hopefully once we do, it might even change their heart to go and pick up that torch for change as well. So again, just another beautiful day, getting to visit this campus, seeing the kindness zone, just, seeing the things they're doing for Kindness Week. And it's just always very encouraging for me, very motivating to see a lot of these students that already are understanding the life lessons that I'm trying to instill through the heartfelt stories, through the positive music, through the inspirational videos, the physical props, picture slides, everything all combined. And now they want to take it up a level and know that they can make a difference even at a young age. So thanks for touching my heart today. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. And feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.